the cooking application for domestic use. You can use for the pour the water. Just pour RO or distilled water, which water you have available. Based on RO water, we can just pour it and then use it. This is our plug-in board. So I will just turn on the switch, and from here you can just pour the hydrogen water. Before store, I can just pour it water. This knob we can use for the pouring the water. Just pour the distilled water or RO water. After pouring water, just close the tap. Now I am just closing the tap. After closing the tap, we can just switch on the our system and then start for the cooking application. After pouring, then just switch on the, and then after switch on, this is our bubbler tank, and this is our storage cum buffer tank for the store our hydrogen, and that hydrogen we will use through this pipeline. In this pipeline we have fixed the total 3 flame arrestor to avoid the black flame, to avoid the back flame of the our hydrogen safety purpose, and that hydrogen we can use for this our cooking application system. Yeah, now I will just use for the, yeah, this is just turn on the knob and we can get the hydrogen flame. That hydrogen we can see, and then put our boiling the water. We can boil the water within 5 minutes we can boil it water. So for boiling water we can use thermometer to check that. Now temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, so within 5 minutes we can reach this temperature 80 to 90 degree. We can just continue monitoring our temperature. You can see this how it will reach within the 5 minutes. Compared to LPG, we can reduce our process of cooking time. For the cooking, in this example, we can put making the tea, then making the rice, or making the biryani, all these things. We'll just wait for the boiling of how much time it will take. See the boiling the water within 1 minute just completed, and then we can see the flame boiling water. See the hydrogen flame, and from hydrogen flame we can see the vapors generated from the heating up of our water. See clearly. Now temperature was just 55 within 2 minutes. See the temperature. Now temperature near about 60 degrees. Now we can give the hot water. Within 2 minutes we can just get the 60 degree temperature reach our hot water. For 80 degree, how much time required we can just wait it. See the hydrogen flame. This is our hydrogen flame, and from hydrogen flame now just we cross the 70 degree temperature, and see the water is heating up continuously. See the our thermometer just showing the 72 to 75 temperature. How it will reach within the 3.4 minutes. Now we can see the 80 degrees Celsius, how much time it will take. Compared to the LPG, we can reach near about 78 to 80 degrees Celsius temperature within the 4.5 minutes. See the continuous boiling of our hot water. Now just you can see the fumes and this one. This is our completely hydrogen cooking stove.